Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Most cookie dough in ice cream is safe to eat because the flour has been heat-treated and the eggs pasteurized, thus protecting you from such foodborne illnesses as E. coli and salmonella that could be found in homemade cookie dough. The same goes for slice and bake and prepackaged cookie doughs. 3 October 2016.
Let's help you make your mark.
Raw cookie dough is not safe to eat because it contains uncooked eggs and flour, which can cause food poisoning if they are contaminated with harmful bacteria. Although it's tempting to eat raw cookie dough, it contains uncooked eggs and flour and is not worth the risk. 6 March 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Do not make milkshakes with products that contain raw flour, such as cake mix. Do not use raw homemade cookie dough in ice cream. Cookie dough ice cream sold in stores contains dough that has been treated to kill harmful bacteria.
Let's help you make your mark.
According to the current advice from the FDA, you should not eat raw dough, even if it does not contain eggs. Apparently raw flour may contain E. coli. People often understand the dangers of eating raw dough due to the presence of raw eggs and the associated risk with salmonella.
Take our lead.
Pillsbury ready-to-bake cookie dough products are now safe to eat raw. It's the same cookie dough you've always loved, but now we have refined our process and ingredients so it's safe to eat the dough before baking. 6 July 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Because people love it so much, Ben & Jerry's even launched snackable dough in 2019. Coli or salmonella from eating raw eggs, this cookie dough is completely safe to eat. The recipe is eggless and also features heat-treated flour, which helps kill contaminants that can cause illness. 22 July 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.